Hey everybody, welcome back to Anxiety Art Adventures. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. I am going to be opening a package that I received from Pixyls. This is an order I placed a couple of weeks ago. I usually get my Pixyls orders quickly, which is great considering they're in Canada and I'm in the United States. So I'm excited to share this opening with you because it is a new product that they're offering. So I wanted to share it with you. So as you see, the package comes in a very rigid envelope. And of course it says do not bend across it. So that is amazing. So let's see what we've got here. Oh boy, I'm so excited. Pixyls is, for those of you that aren't familiar, Pixyls they're basically images from artists that you can place stickers on. So here's an example. I did one. It's a bookmark. This is Cute Planets, and they're just teeny tiny little stickers that you put on the piece of paper. So we are going to open this and see. I ordered two. Look at that. I ordered two different images. Actually, I think I ordered three. Crinkle noise. Okay, so this is the Vexyls applicator. I do have a Pixyls one as well, but they're just very, very sharp tweezers. So be very careful with those. I always keep the plastic top on there. Isn't that pretty? These are very, very good heavy duty metal tweezers. So those are awesome. Okay, let's see here. Oh, look. Thank you, Laura. So sweet. How many of you have Pixyls or have Vexyls? Let me know in the comments. All right, let's see here. I thought I'd ordered, or maybe this is the freebie that you get. Sometimes they'll send you a freebie. Oh, look, isn't that pretty? Look at that card. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that toucan. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so this one is a butterfly and then also a picnic basket. So yeah, I think this was a freebie that they added in. This one is a Vexyls. So with Vexyls, these are larger stickers that you place onto, the image, where Pixyls are teeny tiny little stickers. Those are all a bunch of different teeny tiny squares. Oh, I love doing these so much. They are so much fun to do, you guys. So much fun. So that was the freebie I got. I don't know if they always give freebies, but sometimes I will get a freebie. Okay, so this is the one I'm like so excited to get into. I saw this one and I was like, oh my goodness. I will have the links for the Pixyls website where you can go and look at all of their different options. Yeah, I'll have all of that in the description. Ooh, sticky. All right, let's take a look at this. Look at all of these stickers. So if you see, all of these are larger stickers that you're going to place on the canvas. And they're all numbered. Isn't that awesome? Okay. Oh my gosh, you get more stickers. Ah, look at the foxes. Oh my goodness, the foxes and the tails. I'm so excited. Okay, now this is the actual canvas. Now with Pixyls, you normally, for the most part, if it was, a big square like this, you would do the whole thing for the most part. The Vexyls are larger, so you're only going to place, see where it's numbered, you're only going to place the stickers where it's numbered. So this is going to be a little bit easier to manage, in my opinion. So isn't that great? Look at those cute foxes. Oh my gosh. And the bunnies. Isn't that adorable? And the background, the green background is already there. So you're not going to do anything with that. You're just going to place where the white numbered areas are. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. And all these gorgeous stickers. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. Absolutely love it. Oh, so cute. Okay. So that was, what was this one called? Always on the Back is the title. Bunnies and Foxes Floral by, oh, I'm going to butcher this, Sorsha Faulkner. They have licensed artwork. So all of the artwork you get from Pixyls or Vexyls is licensed. So, okay, that was Bunnies and Foxes. All right, now this one is called, I want to say it was called Summer Berries. They package these so well, you guys. So well. Okay. Put that to the side. All right, let's look. So the back, this is called Summer Berries by Anna Deegan. Anna Deegan. Isn't that pretty? I mean, it was pink. Come on. I had to do it. And see how, I'll pull it up close here so you can see it. These are the areas that you are going to put the stickers on. Oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'll pull this one down here too so you can see both of them. Okay. And these are your stickers. Oh my gosh. Look at all the bright, pretty purples and greens. And look at that beautiful red. It's almost like a fuchsia color. It's got some pink in it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at the berries. Ah. So yeah, you just take all of these stickers with your applicator and you put it on this. Oh my gosh. That is going to be so pretty. So pretty. I feel like the Vexyls will work up faster than your normal Pixyls because of how detailed the Pixyls are with all of the teeny tiny little square stickers. But I think these are going to work up a lot faster. So yes, so definitely you guys need to check out the Vexyls on Pixyls website, and I will have the link down below. Let me know if you have Pixyls or Vexyls. Let me know what you've worked on, what you are working on. I'd really like to know if you like them, if you're frustrated by them. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? So that card is just gorgeous. They always send a card with their orders. I would do that as a Vexyl, wouldn't you? Yeah, yeah. Awesome. Okay, well, I just wanted to do that quick video and share with you my Vexyls order, excuse me. Yeah, so, and I have lots of things that I have completed through Pixyls, so I will have another video showing you that with my little booklet full of things that I have finished. So just wanted to share this with you. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, please put them down below. For all my lurkers out there and anyone that made it this far, why don't we leave a fox emoji? Because the little cute fox is in here. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hope you guys have a great, great day, and I will talk to you again very soon. Bye, Shugs.